almost forgot I was supposed to be making a video real quick. What's up, y'all? As you can see, I'm sitting on the floor. And the name of this video is Follow Nature. And I named it Follow Nature because basically it's based on my own experience and what I'm experiencing right now at this moment. Lately, my body has started to naturally move towards a more healthy lifestyle. Something I had been battling with was smoking weed, because I do smoke from time to time. But as of today, well, actually last night, after doing some research and some studying, I decided that I didn't want to smoke weed no more. So I'm just gonna do what comes naturally to me. And something that I picked up is yoga and, exercising. I want to see what my greatest version looks like. I want to truly manifest in this physical form the highest quality being that I can become in this body. So I am beginning to follow my inner guidance, and this is what is naturally coming out of me. And I think what stops me, I can only speak for myself, I can't speak for anybody else, is, my desire. Well, it was a desire to please others and fit in with other people. And it's something that kept me attached to the behavior that I was, that I was acting out. So once I decided to let go, my path began to take a different route on its own. My life began to move in a completely different direction, because I was holding myself back with the thoughts, worry, anxiety, wonder what other people would think, trying to take people with me along this journey who are not meant to go with me, you see. So here I am. I know that I'm going to enjoy this. It feels good. And I can only take it one day at a time, moment by moment. I'm going to enjoy this journey and have me some fun and allow my body to heal itself by moving myself out of the way, the thoughts that I have attached myself to, the emotions that I have attached myself to, the material things and the people that I have attached myself to, or be, become I've become entangled with these thoughts, these emotions, and these people. So now I'm on a different route. I'm still, you know, me, but a lot of things that I identified with before, I'm no longer identifying with. So I just finished some yoga this morning. You know, it's my first day back on it, and I kind of been doing it since I woke up. You know, it feels pretty cool. Feels pretty damn good. so so yeah, I'm, I'm going to continue with this. Um, I still will do physical exercise like the, strength, lifting weights and cardio and all that. But yoga is gonna be the main thing. So I feel like this is gonna help me out with a lot of other things too. My quality of work, my energy, my health, you know, my zest and my interest towards life. So, we're gonna start this journey today. We're gonna start this journey consciously becoming the person that I know that I could be, that I am. So I want to say peace, literally peace, the foundation. And yeah, so we just gonna zen. No more weed, just zen. You know, just zen as fuck. That's it. Just zen as fuck. Straight up. Peace, y'all, for real. Um, yeah. So I'm gonna get with y'all later.